So right now, let's talk about different types of payout methods for Gumroad. Now, Gumroad is an amazing website out for either you're a dropshipper or trying to sell a course. They are very much flexible. You can have a PayPal, and you basically need to enter all of your details here, and then you have that as a payout option. Now, I know I am from a country which PayPal is not quite supported if you want to receive payments, and you might be in one of these countries, and then bank account or direct bank transfer is definitely something for you. Now you should contact your local bank to create a account which allows for international transactions, and then they will give you your Swift or BIC code, your IBAN, and then your name and all of this other stuff. And you basically have to fill all of this up, and then you basically click on connect or whatever you takes. And then here's a little thing, they take 10% plus 50 additional cents for any direct sale, plus 2.9% plus 30 cents credit card fee. It is a lot. And for all of the sales that are done through the Discovered or the Gumroad are 30% flat. For the PayPal, it's actually the exact same. So you make a decision based on off of this stuff that we have stated here in this video.